Today in the livestock market, cattle was a little bit lower. That flu virus is still weighing on futures right now. We did have an over a $4 range today, but we just couldn't hold on to the highs there. We ended up down $2.25 to 172.70. It seems that the high prices was the cure for high prices right now. Interestingly enough, though, option open interest really has the highest totals at 180, 185, and 190 strikes, which is quite a bit above where we are right now. So we'll see if that really has any effect on the market. We have 42,000 open interest on the calls and 78,000 on the puts. So if that's any indication on which way this market's going, we kind of got to take a look at it right now. Interestingly enough, though, 175 and 170 are the highest strikes for open interest on that put side. So it seems like we're almost already here. CVOL for that live cattle market is 19.7%, so that's up a little bit. Today, the feeders did fall. The trader jitters really led to some liquidation today, and over a $6 drop today, total of $11 down for the week, holding just above that 250 mark. So CVOL is at 15.5%. So we're kind of like watching that very closely, that as the market just seems to build a little bit of momentum on the downside. The lean hogs were also down. Perhaps there's a little bit of an overflow selling there, but demand seems to be a little bit uncertain. Will there be a bump in the pork, a bump in pork demand because of the avian flu or not? I think that the futures did spend some time, about $1 higher earlier before it started to slip about $3. We ended up down $2 to just above 100.575. So we really were starting to put some pressure on that downside a little bit. But that we're back to prices that we were right on April 1st. So in just 1 month, we kind of just had an upswing and then came right back to it. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the week right now. And as we still try to digest whether we're going to have some impact on this avian flu, or is it really just going to stay with the dairy cattle or not? So something to be watching as we go forward. CVOL is at 23.7%. So there's a lot to be watching on that livestock market minute by minute.